Good morning, folks. This is MLive Chief Meteorologist Mark Torregrossa. We've got a lot to talk about in weather, but we'll get to the day-to-day in the short term right away. Let's get to the rain showers coming to an end, the snow showers falling up north, and cold temperatures tonight that could be frost or freezing temperatures in places that haven't had it in southern Michigan yet this year. So let's get to it and cover the rainfall. Starting to wind down, but it's still going. And here's the radar. So still patches of showers moving through southern Michigan up through northwest lower. This is rain around Traverse City, but it is snow, all snow at times in around the Gaylord area. National Weather Service office in Gaylord reporting snow, but it's generally a mix of rain and snow. And up here also snow. They had in Paulding 1.5 inches of snow overnight. So yeah, it changes quickly here in Michigan. Here's your radar forecast to show you what's going to happen as we go through the morning hours. Generally, the trend would be less and less rainfall. But in the southeast, Detroit, Ann Arbor, Jackson, I would take a umbrella with you because you're still into the spurts of rainfall. This is noontime. Other areas probably just a drizzle or lots of clouds. And in the northern sections, the rain and snow will probably transition to rain during the middle of the day. Hey, good morning, North Muskegon, and good morning, Donna from Houston, Texas. Are you originally from Michigan? And then we go into the evening hours and the cold air setting off these little brief spurts of lake effect rain. And as we get into the evening, maybe us back to some lake effect snow showers too. I got to show you this for fun. This is the snowfall forecast. We didn't do this yet this year, have we? Okay, so overnight tonight and across the UP, Northwest Lower, Gaylord, Grayling, Kalkaska, and then up in the eastern UP, maybe 1 inch or so of snow. Yay, how about that? Things change quickly here. High temperatures today. Quite chilly. Near 50 in Detroit, 45-ish to 47-ish Ann Arbor, Jackson 46, Flint 46, Saginaw, Bay City, Midland 45, 46, Grand Rapids 47. By the way, Grand Rapids, you have just had your wettest October ever, 9.3 inches I think it is, and still more to come. Saginaw snow, Ronald, probably not just yet. Okay, but maybe next week some wet flakes of snow if a vigorous rain shower comes down. This afternoon, only 40 around Gaylord, 45 Traverse City, and in the upper 30s across the UP. Hey, a bunch of folks weighing in from Houston this morning. Alice Davidson. Sault Ste. Marie, Australia. Okay, coming to Perchville. All right, and you're going to do the polar bear plunge. That is something I have never done, and I actually do not think I would. I think I'd just go into shock for some reason there. Low temperatures tonight. What I want to point out is southwest corner, maybe below the freezing mark. Grand Rapids, Kalamazoo, and in that southwest corner down toward Jackson, which is a cold spot. Pretty close in the eastern part of the state. Northern parts of the state below freezing except where there's wind off of the water, like downtown Traverse City and Charlevoix and Petoskey, and then up across the UP temperatures around freezing. Mayella Rosales de Garza wants to know, is it going to snow next week in Grand Rapids? I would say yes. I think you will have some flakes of snow. The cold air is starting to pour in. I don't think there will be accumulation, but the cold that's showing says that maybe 1 inch or 2 on the grassy surfaces Short time periods could happen in the western side of the state next week. By the way, Halloween looks cold. Looks like temperatures will be in the mid-40s for highs in southern lower on Halloween, and that means as you get to trick or treat time, probably 38 to 40 or so. Need something accurate for Saturday. Okay, let's go back to it then. Okay, so folks, you got all your stuff for today. It's a cloudy, kind of drizzly, cool day. Temperatures in the mid-40s. Put that jacket on, and then we'll go to some questions here, okay? And let's see. I want to get the model that I can show you for Saturday wedding in Bay City. We actually have one of those coming up in the Torregrossa household in about getting close to about 5 weeks now. Frost tonight in KZoo, yes. Possibly even freeze. Okay. All right, so let's go into Saturday. Bear with me just a second here. There is a weather system coming. Are we going to get any more 60, 70 degrees before snow in Essexville? Yes, we will have at least probably one day next week in the 60s, late in the week. So I would say we will. 70s? I don't know. Okay, so here we go into Saturday. This is Saturday morning, 8 o'clock. Ruth, can we go into next weekend? That's getting pretty far out this time of the year. There's Saturday afternoon, Saturday evening, Saturday night. So there's a storm center. There's quite a bit of cold air. Probably not going to have a big, long-lasting soaking rain in Bay City on Saturday for a wedding. You could have spurts, 10, 15 minutes here or there, and as you get toward evening, it could be mixed with some wet flakes of snow. When we get the first measurable snow in Potterville, measurable as in a dusting on the grass, that could happen next week, I would say. Very brief. Do you think this winter will be colder than the last two? I think it will start colder. I think November, December will be colder than normal. But man, we're in a pattern where it's warm, then cold, then warm, and I think we'll have a significant break somewhere in the winter, probably lasting 2 to 4 weeks. And that will probably break up the winter some. So there you have it, folks. This is MLive Chief Meteorologist Mark Torregrossa. You've got the cloudy, damp day today. Showery in the south coming to an end by noon. Snow showers and rain showers in the north kind of just going off and on all day. And as we get toward the night tonight, you better cover anything up if you want to protect it, but you also better look at the calendar and say, hey, it's late October. It's just about time for all the plants to get whacked. Glenn Watson wants me to join in Perchville to take the polar bear plunge. No, not gonna happen.